Hey gang, here's a little something I've been working on. A reach hitch barbecue attachment for my tractor. Headed back to the bush, gonna be cutting wood with some friends, and we like to eat good back there. Fresh air makes a man hungry. So I went and cashed in some reward points at our local crop store and bought a portable barbecue. It's got a latch, so I can latch her down under travel. The lid's bolted on, so I don't have to worry about that. It's got a pretty good cooking size area there, good enough for 6 or 8 burgers, whatever you want to do. But, I made the base out of it. I made the base for it out of an old basket I used to carry in my hitch, and it used to hold my fuel can and my cooler bag. But I don't think I could go through a tank of fuel in an 8-hour day on the tractor, so I stopped carrying the fuel can. And now that Donkey's got the Jeep rear end, I got lots of cargo space, so I wasn't utilizing this. But I just took some flat stock and made it so I could bolt the barbecue down where the legs would have bolted onto this thing, and away we go. Welded on some hangers for my spatula and tongs or whatever I'm going to be using, and we should be ready to rock and roll. But I'll try and get some footage of this thing getting some use and mounted on the tractor, and we'll see you guys real soon. Ciao. Hey gang, just over here with Donkey at a buddy's place, getting ready to hit the woods. So I'm going to give you a shot of the barbecue on the front of the rig before we head out. There you go, all loaded up with our lunch gear and everything we need. Anyway, we'll see you when we get out there. I'll try and get some footage of the ride, but I don't know, I'm working one-handed, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, stick around. There you go, in case you think I was fooling with you. There's the barbecue, hooked on Donkey. I didn't get much chance to film there today back in the bush, but just in case you thought I was pulling your leg, cooking dinner on my lawn tractor. You know, doing my thing. Burgers tonight. But yeah, so far it works pretty good. Worked good today. We had chicken wings out in the woods. So I'm digging it. Anyway, thanks for checking it out. We'll see you soon.